Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make some elderberry syrup, which is great for flu season to help fight off some germs, keep your immune system nice and strong. So let me show you what we need and we can go ahead and get started. The spices you're going to need you can actually find in a mulling spice. It's organic clove, organic allspice, organic orange peel, organic ginger, and organic cinnamon. So this is actually ideal. What I did is I just put it in a grinder and I got 3 teaspoons, equal parts. And then I'm also gonna have 2 star anise in there, organic as well, 3/4 cup elderberries, and 1/2 cup of honey. And we'll be using 2.5 cups of water as well. But let's get started. Alright y'all, that's it for today's video. I hope you like it. Make sure to leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. And I'm gonna go give this little girl some elderberry syrup. See you next time.